What's up everyone? Ready and finally you are starting with a series on Python. Let's read an article about Python. Look this. What matters is not the fast growing language in the terms of the number of developers who are using it, in terms of the number of libraries we have, in terms of the number of companies who are using it, of the areas you can implement it. You talk about machine learning. With Python, we can work everywhere. You can work with data science, big data, machine learning. You can work with AI. You can work with web development using it's a famous framework called Django. Okay, let's rock. First, let's start by downloading the IDE you want. In this video, you will download a very famous open source IDE called VX Code. It's a powerful tool that helps us write our code in correct and easy to understand. Imagine if you work in a company and need to manage all Wi-Fi networks and dynamic passwords to connect to the network. In this video, we are going to create a program that manages our Wi-Fi networks and passwords for you. Right now, search the browser for VX Code. The first link of the search is the official download site. I will leave the link in the video description. After download, install the VX Code and now you are ready to rock. Open your VS Code in the menu view, we choose Terminal. Let's start getting used to command lines in the VS Code to make our work faster. Type code space file name. Don't forget to add to the end of the file .py for the interpreter to understand that we are going to work with Python files. We started by importing the native Windows System library. Type from always import. This means that we can use command lines from the prompt. Now, let's clean the screen with the command cls. We call the system library in parentheses inside the quotes type parentheses cls, like that. System parentheses inside the quotes cls. We need to display all available Wi-Fi networks with the system parameter netsh. System parentheses. Let's test and check if you are showing our variables network. Type in the terminal py space your file name. We choose wi-fi.py. Okay. It's working. You are on the right path. Look at this. Display all the list of Wi-Fi. We are on the right path. Right now, at the moment, we have the necessary information with the available networks. Now we need to create a variable that stores the SSID or the name of the network we want. In this case, we created the variable called name Wi-Fi that receives an input that will be the name of the Wi-Fi network. We need to create a variable that called name underscore guys. This is the command net sh show the profile name equal Wi-Fi name key equal clear. However, we need to introduce our variable to make our script dynamic, like that. I have to format our string. Right. We need to introduce a network name inside the name network bunker. Let's check. Run our script with command py space file python file. We choose py. Okay, it's work. This script asks for us to inside the name network. As we can verify the output of the script, we can verify the content of the key showing the password of the chosen network. Password network. Okay. Right now we need to introduce our variable to make our script dynamic, not static, like that. Change the SSID. For our variable that called name Wi-Fi, name underscore Wi-Fi. We can see the link of the variables. It's correct. Let's check. Run the script. Display our list of Wi-Fi and ask for the network name. Let's check another web network name. Eleanor_Brown. We can verify in the output of the script, we can verify the content of the key, showing the password network. SSID name, content key. We can introduce some print for our script. And we can verify the output of the script, the content of the key. That's it, guys. We created together a program that manages our Wi-Fi networks and passwords. It's amazing, no? We can throw away old notes with the network passwords. Process has been automated. Until the next people, see you.